Hello, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix unknown format or damaged message on Winrar. So let's start. Here I need to extract this file. But I can't, due to this message. To fix it up, go to Google Chrome and search for 7-zip. Tap on the first site. Here you need to download as per your system. My system is 64-bit, so I'm downloading for 64-bit. After download, set up the 7-zip file. After you complete setup, right-click on your zip file and select 7-zip and then select Extract here. It's now working fine. This is the extract file. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.